Hello friends, welcome to Chart Readers, Chart Reading Made Simple. Today, February 6th, 2021, we are looking at symbol U, Unity Software. As you can see on the day chart, U has really touched around like 124 level after the market, I believe. So let's take a look at it. Yes, it did touch around 125 level. So just wait for this to hold this level before making any new entries. But 125 is a very critical level. Anything, if it breaks, we can see some downward side here. Maybe around 1 or 2, there could be some support in between. Just look for this level to be crossed. Okay. Let's look at the state chart. Yes, so that's a key level to be watched for Unity. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for next updates. Happy investing.